Let's explore immigration options for business people to Canada in 2021. But before I move forward, please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. When you want to immigrate to Canada, you could potentially choose between federal options and provincial options. Business people are no exception. So let's take a quick look at those options that are available to business people under federal programs and those that are available under provincial programs. Under federal programs, we have two major options for business people. One option is called self-employed class, which is dedicated to self-employed or world-class athletes and artists. And we also have another option called startup visa, which is available to innovative people who receive an approval from a designated organization by the immigration authorities. Under these programs, if you get approved, you can immigrate to Canada. In 2021, the government of Canada intends to accept 1,000 immigrants under federal business programs. 1,000 immigrants means about roughly 400 to 500 applications will be approved under these programs. Unfortunately, the federal government has no option available to investors. In other words, if you are thinking about passive investment in Canada and becoming an immigrant, unfortunately, there is no option available to you. If you do not qualify for self-employed class or startup visa programs, you could also consider alternative options under federal programs. An example would be IMPC 11, which is a work permit option available to job creators and entrepreneurs. I have another video about this option. I will post it up here. If you apply under IMPC 11, you will receive a work permit. With that work permit, you can come to Canada and work in Canada, and eventually you could immigrate to Canada under programs such as Express Entry. What about provincial options? When you immigrate under a provincial option or a PNP program, the expectation is that you are going to land and live in a specific province of Canada. We can divide provincial options into three major groups. The first group is direct immigration to Canada. This means that you show your expression of interest to the province. They will invite you to apply. When you apply and you submit your documents, if they approve you, you have to post a good faith deposit, which is $100,000, and then the government of the province will issue a certificate of nomination. With the help of that certificate of nomination, you will eventually become a permanent resident of Canada. If you move to the province and live there and work there and also follow all the promises that you give to the province, eventually you will receive your $100,000 back. Otherwise, you will not receive your money back. Currently, the only province of Canada that offers this option is New Brunswick. In 2021, we expect this continue like that. However, maybe based on the changes in the policy, New Brunswick will stop accepting immigrants this way, or exceptionally, we will see other provinces will also follow the suit and use the same system. The other option would be the work permit option. Under this option, basically, you show your expression of interest, you submit the documents to the immigration authorities of the province. If they are convinced, they won't ask for a good faith deposit, but they will issue you a letter for a work permit. You submit with an application for work permit with the help of that letter, and you will receive a work permit. Your spouse or common law partner receives an open work permit, and your dependent children may also accompany you to Canada. The whole family comes to Canada. You start working in Canada. You have a time limit, usually between 20 months to 24 months, to fulfill all the promises that you gave to the province, and if they are convinced, they will issue a certificate of nomination. With the help of that certificate of nomination, you apply for permanent residence and you become a permanent resident of Canada. Currently, these provinces and territories of Canada offer this system: British Columbia, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, Yukon, and Northwest Territories. The third major option for business people is the immigration to the province of Quebec. Quebec offers three major options for business people. One option is for entrepreneurs, the other option is for investors. Yes, you heard me right, investors, which means passive investment, and another option is for self-employed people. When it comes to the investor option, right now, as we speak, it is closed up until April 2021, but the rumor says that the province intends to reopen the investor program sometime after April 2021. I have represented hundreds of applicants under these business programs in the past to the government of Canada, with the exception of Quebec, because I do not practice Quebec. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Parsai. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. I teach immigration consulting at Ashton College. I'm the author of 88 Tips on Immigration to Canada, which is a bestseller book under the immigration law on Amazon.ca. Please subscribe to this channel, enable notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you soon.